Today, I'm going to be reviewing FioGeeko's travel pillow. I want to thank FioGeeko for sending this to me to review. This is how it comes. It comes in a bag. Had a nice little surprise in there for me. Let's go ahead and take a look. Now, when you get it, put it back in here. You do have to roll it pretty tight. Here you go. I haven't used them, but look, you even get earplugs right there, eye mask, smart, cheap edition, which I love when companies do things that aren't expensive but add a lot of value. Bam, there's one. The fact that it fits in this bag. Now, when I took it out, I had to put it back in. You do have to roll it tight, but it's not hard to get in there if you roll it tight. This is what it looks like. Just like that. Nice, comfy, Tempur-Pedic. Now, I know a lot of people, they'll put it on like this, or they'll put it on the other way. I've heard both ways. But on this one, they show that these cross in the front. This little patch here comes undone. All right, so this patch here lowers. All right, it's not the easiest thing to get undone, but it's not a big deal. Just undo that, and then it connects to the other side right there. So you can wrap it around your neck however you want it, put it on there, and go to sleep. What's nice about these is definitely being on an airplane. I'm going to be trying this today. You sleep, your head's all over the place. There's not a lot of movement, but this helps. A pillow like this. I mean, if you're traveling, having a pillow like this is perfect. Now, this does pretty well. It gets 4.4 stars, which is the minimum I like to see. So it did hit that. Over 200 reviews, and last month, October 2025, over 2,000 of these were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.